Hello friends, today I am going to show you Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is another exclusive online color and we will compare it with both the phones, how it looks in the later part of this video. So stay with me friends. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra Red color, 256GB, 12GB model. And on the back, as usual, it is written the same, all the prices are same and the packaging is same as I showed in my lime color video. So why wait my friends, let's open this up. So I'm making quick videos because I will be sharing these phones full review in a later part, because a lot of my viewers are asking full reviews for that. So when we open the box, first we will take the look of the phone, but we'll wait a bit second. Inside the box here we get this package here. Inside here you get a pull tab here. You just pull it up and you see there is the USB-C to C cable and a SIM ejector pin. So we'll keep this packed and we'll keep this aside, and here is the phone. So 3, 2, 1, voila. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra Red color. As you can see, this is the red color. Looks really nice. The finish is totally matte. It's not glossy itself. As you can see, it's not glossy. I am reflecting the light on top of it. It's totally matte finish. And we'll remove it out. You can see the S Pen is here. Just pull it out. The S Pen is totally black. Even the tip is black. And it is a matte finish tip. Matte finish S Pen. I'm very excited, my friends. Sorry for that wrong. And the sides are totally black. And buttons are blacks, and below everything there is one microphone here, and okay, turn on the phone. Yes, it is turning on. There is one speaker here, two microphones here, as you can see here, one SIM tray, one USB-C port, and on the top we get another microphone here, and on the back we get 1, 2, 3 and 4 cameras. See here, so it looks really nice. 1, 2, 3, 4 cameras and one flash, and that is a laser for your focus and all. So this is the phone, as you can see here. First look of Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra for the red color. And as I mentioned you, I will compare it with another exclusive color. For that we will pick another box. So this is another box, and this you have seen already about this video about this product. This is the S23 Ultra Red, and this is the S23 Ultra lime color. So if we compare it side by side, you can see that both the phones are of same finish, only the back and side are different. As you can see, this is also the matte finish and this is the matte finish. You can see both side by side, and the red looks nice because the side rails are totally black and the screen mixes with the side, so it looks really cool, as you can see on from front. But this one has the black display, but the sides are silver. Both have their unique looks, and I'll give you a minute to soak it in with the two colors. So that's all my friends, thank you for watching. This was the video for unboxing of Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra online exclusive red color and comparing with the lime color. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Do subscribe my channel and stay safe my friends. Bye bye.